Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Instagram videos and reels. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app right over here. From this section, simply go ahead, go to this reel icon at the bottom left corner. Now you will find your particular reel section, right? So what you're going to do, if you want to download, you simply have to find a video that you would want to download and simply go ahead, tap on this three dot icon, and in this section you will find the option of saving. Go ahead, tap on the save, and your video will be saved. So next time if you want to watch this content, you can go to your save section in your Instagram itself, but it will not be saved in your gallery. Now when tap on the shared icon, you will find this menu option at the bottom, and here you will find this option of download. Go ahead, tap on this download and tap on download, and the video will be downloaded, and you can go ahead, go back to your gallery, and you can check that out. Go to your gallery, and there you go, the video is right over here. Now that's it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.